Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Karen, aka cakedbybabyk, and welcome back to my channel. It's an early morning today. I'm super excited because today is the ipsy and boxycharm Creator Summit. I know it's their second annual one. It's from 10 till 5, so it's gonna be an all-day affair, and I'm gonna be sitting in traffic to and from, which is why I'm up so early. But similar to my last video, I'm gonna do a little get ready with me, and then I'm gonna take you guys along for the day. As always, using the Benefit 24-hour brow setter because these need to stay in place for a long time. So this Creator Summit is supposed to be about networking and brand activations, and it's just gonna be a super fun time. I don't know, I think I mentioned on here before that events really stress me out sometimes. After COVID especially, I feel like I have more social awkwardness. I just applied the Glow Recipe Strawberry Blur Drops. This has been a game changer with helping my face control my oil. Y'all already know she's a KOSAS stan. Using my Revlon buffing brush to blend that out. So this event is all the way in Santa Monica and I live a ways away, which was why I was contemplating going in the first place. Like all last night I was like, should I not? Even this morning I was laying in bed and I was like, should I go? But then I remember it's a good networking opportunity and there's really no downside about going except for sitting in traffic. They said there will be valet parking, which is amazing. Am I the only one who gets this anxious about driving and parking? Because I feel like I'm the only one. It's just annoying. Going in with the HAUS Labs bronzer. This is only my third or fourth time trying this, and I feel like I need to use this more before I can form an opinion. Definitely put too much. This side is better. You already know what's next. Doing some Rare Beauty blush next. This one is in the shade Hope. I have been obsessed with this shade lately. I don't know why I didn't reach for it too much before. I think it's because it's more on the lighter side, but I reached for it the other day and I was like, she's pretty. And even putting it on top of my powder bronzer, there's no issues. Okay, moving on to powder. Y'all know Maybelline Fit Me. Doing this powder puff action. These are absolutely worth the hype. It just makes everything look so airbrushed. Going heavier with the powder in the areas that produce more oil. So for me, it's my T-zone. I'm gonna carve out the bronzer. Gotta do some setting spray. This one is the Benefit Professional. I just realized I forgot to apply my setting spray in layers, so let's hope for the best with this. To do liner or to not do liner? That is the question. Don't think I will. I'm gonna do some Kiss FALSCARA, but I'm gonna do it off camera because you guys make me nervous. All right, everything is on except for the lip. I actually leave that till the very last second. Is anyone else like that? Anyways, we have a long drive ahead of us and I'm gonna take you guys through the event with me, so come along. So the Creator Summit was at the ipsy Studios in Santa Monica and their offices are so cute. This is what we saw when we first walked in, and upstairs they had all of these brands. They had reps from each brand there and we were able to learn all about them and their products. In the downstairs area, they had a coffee bar, they had pastries, and then they were also doing headshots, so we were able to get those done if we wanted to. These girls were so nice. I'd wish I'd gotten their Instagrams before I left. Then the intro panel started where we learned all about ipsy and boxycharm. Once that was done, I learned that they had matcha, so you bet your bootsy that I went to go get one. Got a matcha! It was so good, so I had that while we listened to our second panel, which was all about mental health. I loved this one. Ipsy did such a great job with all these panelists. I learned so much, and then it was time for lunch, so we went and grabbed some salads. I got the Thai one. Then it was time for yet another panel, and this one was with Candy Lover, and I actually was not familiar with her work, even though she has millions of followers, but she was the best panelist of the day. It was so real and vulnerable and honestly just so inspiring. She definitely gained a new follower and a fan out of me. After that, it was time to move into the photography seminar and I caught up with my friend Joy. She's also a content creator. That was our first time meeting after following each other online for years. And then we ended the day with a makeup masterclass with celebrity makeup artist Ash K. Holm. She is such a great teacher and very interactive with her audience. Overall, it was such a fun day, the most educational event that I've ever been to. And then we waited an hour for the valet to pull our cars around.